Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the network connector on your PS5 while applying liquid metal for improved cooling. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. 1. A Phillips screwdriver, size 00. 2. A Torx screwdriver, T8. 3. A spudger or plastic opening tool. 4. Isopropyl alcohol and lint-free cloth for cleaning. 5. Liquid metal compound. 6. Thermal paste, if needed. Begin by unplugging your PS5 and placing it on a flat surface. Remove the side panels by carefully prying them off with the spudger. Set them aside to expose the internal components. Next, locate the screws securing the main cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and set them aside in a safe location. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover to reveal the motherboard. Now, we need to detach the network connector. Locate it on the motherboard and carefully unscrew it using the Torx screwdriver. Be mindful of the small screws as they can be easy to lose. If you're unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Once the connector is free, it's time to clean the area. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth to clean any old thermal paste or debris around the connector. This ensures a good connection with the new part. Next, take the new network connector and align it carefully with the motherboard. Screw it back into place securely. Make sure it's seated correctly to avoid any connectivity issues. Now, we will apply the liquid metal. Before doing this, ensure the area is clean and dry. Apply a small amount of liquid metal to the designated area, using a precision applicator if available. This step is crucial for effective heat transfer. If you're hesitant about this process, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your PS5 serviced without any hassle. Once the liquid metal is applied, let it cure as per the manufacturer's instructions. After that, check to ensure that everything is connected properly. If you notice any loose cables or components, reconnect them carefully. Finally, reassemble your PS5 by reversing the steps. Place the main cover back onto the console, secure it with screws, and snap the side panels back in place. As a final check, power on your PS5 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, we offer a quote before repair to help you understand your options without any pressure. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the network connector and applied liquid metal to your PS5. Enjoy improved performance and a cooler console. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.